Welcome back, everybody. Let's do another video. Okay, here we have a Craftsman lawnmower that I have up on the side. This one is just a normal Craftsman self-propelled front-wheel drive lawnmower, and we're going to do these wheels, right? Well, here is the part number on Amazon. And these work for a lot of different mowers. The Troy built. They also work on some Husqvarnas, Craftsman, MTD. A lot of them that have this design of wheel. So let's see this. So this is the replacement wheel, and it's a really, really good quality wheel. So we're going to go through and pop these off and put the new ones on. I'm actually surprised how heavy duty that wheel is. That's actually a really nice one. So we're going to go ahead and grab a 14 mil and zing that guy off, and then they just kind of pop off. And so this is the drive system on these mowers, and as you can see, this wheel is absolutely destroyed, and that's the drive shaft setup. So those are side by side. See how all those teeth are still there, and those ones are gone. This new wheel is actually a beefier setup than the old one. It's much heavier. So you just grab this, line it up on there, zing that back down, and it's good to go. And then, like on this one, you can hear it and see it spinning that shaft, but it's not spinning the other wheel. So the other wheel is just as roached as the one I just took off. So let's go ahead and pull this other one off. And as you can see, this one's just as bad. And again, you know, those teeth don't ride too far on those teeth, so it doesn't take much to strip those out. Let's get this other one. And again, here it is. Sits it down right on there. Give her a little ugga-dugga. Okay, and there you have it. Both wheels on, and yeah, it's good to go. So now you can go ahead and fire her up and take her for a test drive. Enjoy your hard labor. So there it is. It took us less than 5 minutes to do these wheels. They're super simple. I still need to do my rear wheels on this one. They're actually pretty roached too. But yeah, go ahead and like, subscribe, share us, ask us any questions you have on these lawnmowers, and we'll do our best to help you. Deuces.